In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Base44 account. First, let's open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable using. In the address bar or the search bar at the top, type Base44 as one word, then press enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Base44. On the results page, look for the official Base44 website. You should see a result that mentions building apps with AI in minutes. Click on that official Base44 link to go to their homepage. If you're unsure, choose the result that clearly shows it's from the main Base44 domain, not from a third-party site. Once you're on the Base44 homepage, take a moment to let the page fully load. Near the top or center of the page, you should see a button or link labeled Start Building. This is what you'll use to begin creating your account and accessing the platform. Click on Start Building. You'll now be taken to the Base44 app sign in or sign up page. Here, Base44 offers a convenient option to use your Google account for login. Look for the button that says Login with Google. Using Google speeds up the process and means you don't have to remember another separate password for Base44. Go ahead and click Login with Google. After clicking, a Google sign-in window or tab will appear. If you're already signed into one or more Google accounts on your browser, you'll see a list of those accounts. If not, you may be asked to sign in with your Google email and password first. Choose the Google account you want to connect to Base44 by clicking on it. Once you select your account, Google may show you some permissions that Base44 is requesting, such as access to your basic profile information and email address. Read through these briefly so you know what you're allowing. When you're comfortable, click to continue or allow access, following the on-screen prompts. Google will then redirect you back to the Base44 app. At this point, your Base44 account is automatically created and linked to your Google account. You should land inside the Base44 dashboard or main interface, ready to start exploring and building. From here, you can begin setting up your workspace, experimenting with features, and creating AI-powered apps, all using the account you just